Okay, so we're at the Ducati Service Center in Mumbai checking out Alvaro Bautista's 2023 championship winning motorcycle in the World Superbike competition. That is the actual race machine that he won the championship with. And if you just want some kind of details on how he went about it in that season, well, Ducati have it up on the wall out there. Now, this machine has been sold in India, and if you're wondering how to actually get your hands on a machine like this, well, you have to be part of a very niche clique called the Top Ducatisti. Now, in essence, how do you get into this group? Well, you have to own quite a bit in terms of Ducati machines. You have to have, in fact, over 100,000 worth of assets from Ducati to actually be invited to this group where they tell you of machines like this which are out on the market to be sold. Now, this is the actual machine, the championship winning machine, and you have a race replica version of the same bike. That is the Panigale V4. Now, that one, the race replica, well, we get to that in a bit. That one will set you back by around 66 lakhs. And if you plan on getting your hands on them, good luck to you, because there's just one in India and it's already been sold. Yeah, a little on this motorcycle. Now, World Superbike, as you know, different from MotoGP Championship, because yeah, this is the closest thing that you can actually get to road legal machines in its competition spec form. Not as in depth in terms of electronics and features on there, but because these machines, the World Superbike kind of bikes, well, the chassis has to be the same as the street legal bikes, but of course you can play around with stuff like the engine. It has to be a liter class. That is that amazing 402 fully titanium exhaust from Akropovic. A lot of carbon fiber bits on there, dry clutch, as you can see, some settings on there. They're not allowed to tell us what each of these buttons in the cockpit is for, but as you can see, it has something to do with traction control, braking, and power maps as well, obviously. So a lot of carbon fiber bits on there. The brakes as well, as you can see, steel brakes as opposed to the ceramic brakes on MotoGP machines. Slick tires as well, pretty funky looking. Now, this machine is powered by a 998cc V4 from Ducati. Makes a maximum of 235 PS. Max tops out at around 315 kilometers per hour. Mean winglets on there, but obviously none of the road legal bits like headlights and all. You have some nice 4 headlights on there. That's one way to get your hands on 8 crore rupees. Top bins, top shelf in terms of components on there. You have top drawer, Olin suspension, top shelf Brembo brake setup as well, single monoblock aluminum calipers on there with axial attachments to the 2 pistons. Weight wise, well, this one weighs in at around 168 kgs. Pretty impressive machine to look at. Glad to have checked it out. Now let's move on to the race replica version, which is outside. Well, yeah, that is the race replica. Now, this one has a slightly bigger engine, as you can see, rear wheel. Slightly different to what we have up there. This is powered by the Desmo Stradale engine. You do have all the road legal bits on there, headlights, indicators, and yeah, the rear as well. You have a not so tidy tail section, but yeah, 66 lakhs. That is Alvaro Bautista's actual signature on the machine. And this is one of 219 of this race replica model, number 65, which has been sold out here in India. This is powered by the 1103cc Desmo Stradale Stradale engine, and it makes around 215 PS of max power, over 120 Nm of max torque. Lovely carbon bits on there, a lot of them in fact, like this brake ducts. You have an open clutch lever as well, license plate holder removing kit, billetted aluminum mirrors removing kit as well, and fuel filler cap. Really cool to look at. And that's the seat which says Bautista on there. 66 lakhs for this thing. Crazy, crazy, crazy machine. Awesome to look at. And that is the regular Panigale V4, just kept standing aside in comparison, just to let you get an idea of what the other regular Panigale V4 is compared to the limited edition Alvaro Bautista model. Crazy, crazy machines in their own right. Lovely to look at least from my perspective. Just look at those forged wheels. How cool is that? We have a lot of the carbon fiber bits on there, the winglets. Crazy. And just for a kind of bonus, we have a customer bike out here which tries to mimic a certain number 93 from the Ducati brand in the MotoGP side of things. A lot of aftermarket bits on there, including those deflectors for the brakes, for calipers. Just insane amount of detail. The attention to detail that Persona has gone through, even with the little camera and everything on there. Superb. Awesome, awesome machine. Super Corsas on there as well. new supercrossers on there as well. A lot of carbon fiber bits. This one, basically, you have a sensor that is your fingerprint sensor. Unfortunately, I don't own this machine. Can be turned on at least for now because, yeah, my man at the showroom actually has the key card which you can actually use to switch it on in case you're not the owner. So, of course, it's here for service and they will need to have it functioning at some point to actually do the needful. That, in essence, is what we're here to check out today. Panigale V4. That is the limited edition Panigale V4 Alvaro Bautista edition, 66 lakhs. That is the World Superbike winning motorcycle from the 2023 season. 8 crores. Man, that's insane.